Hey, how you doing? I got another radio for you that's on sale on Amazon right now. Keep in mind these sales could end at any time. Matter of fact, there was a sale just the other day. I think it was 2 days ago, and before I could even do a video, it was off sale. It wasn't on sale anymore. But this one's still on sale. This one I purchased back in July of 2023 this year, and I did, I think, 3 shows on it because I really liked it. It's the Retekess TR629, just shortwave AM FM radio with a player, nice digital display. It's digital. I really like this radio. Here's one. I see it. Here's one of my videos. I got the black one. And then, like I say, I did 3 shows. This is show 2321, and there's a couple of shows. I think there's a show before this and an after this. So that's how much I liked it. So it's on sale right now on Amazon for 10% off. Normally $49.99, now $44.99. And I'm going to put this in my Amazon store if I haven't already. I think I already did when I did the review some time ago. So check the link in below the description in each of my videos to my store and maybe purchase you one of these for the holidays. Yeah. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.